Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be working on the rear of the car. We are going to mainly focus on the taillights today. So as you can see, I have the sequential taillights harness, but I'm also going to take the advantage that I'm already working on my taillights, and I'm going to paint the bezels and I am going to tint the taillights itself. So now right now I do have like some black covers that are covering the chrome. Now they're good and they've been there for 2 years, and I'm kind of surprised that they're still on the car. So good quality on them. The only thing I don't like is that when dirt builds up in there and you're washing the car, you don't see nothing but dirt coming out. So then you dry the whole car, you drive it, and then like let's say 20 minutes later you see more dirt all over your rear. Now I'm not liking that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take them out, make this like a DIY video, and paint the bezel myself, and I'm gonna tint the taillights myself. But all this is going to be covered in this video, so you should be able how to do it. So now we could just do a simple unboxing. I really wasn't going to do it because this should be just some simple harnesses, but I'll get a little unboxing for y'all. So this is the Fastech sequential taillights harness. Let's see what comes in here. So you're gonna get your receipts. Oh, you're gonna get a sticker. I like the stickers, you already know. And you get the harness, and that's it. And you get the harness. The harness comes in its own bag, I guess its own instructions, but this should be plug and play. You just take this connector out and plug this in, and automatically there's sequentials. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all that in the next clip. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is take all these out. There you go. Go ahead and take all three, and then we'll get this panel out. Alright, so now I'm just gonna give it a clean here. Get this everything cleaned up. This right here is for the wing. I had to tap into it from here, but that doesn't matter. We're gonna go ahead and clean all this right here and make sure it's good. All right, now I'm gonna take this black piece out, and then we can get the bezel out. But first I'm gonna take this out first. All right, now to take these bezels, we're gonna use this tool once again. Put it in through here and pry off carefully, because you want to take care of your tabs. I would record this process, but I don't want to break in a tab, so I need to use both hands. But basically I'm just gonna pry it in there and pull it out. Alright, now we're going to clean all this, and we're going to use some glue gun to take the plastic dip that I had before. Alright, well there you guys have it. Now we're gonna go to the bezels. So I have the paint, has some clear coat. They're already sanded. I took all the residue off. There might be a little tiny bits, but for the most part they're clean. They're dry. Now we're gonna get to painting, and then while we let this dry, we're gonna go ahead and work on tinting our taillights. So first we're gonna do the first coat. Alright, now we're just going to do as much as coats as we need. Just remember to keep them light. We're going to do around, I think, 4. Should be good. And then they should all be blacked out. We seal them up with clear coat, and we're ready to install back in. All right, so these are all done. They look really good. I like them. Obviously not as glossy as a plastic would be, but they're still really good and way better than what it looked chrome, and honestly way better than what it looked with the little covers. And the reason is because it was already faded away, like I said, 2 years, probably even more. And again, the reason why I'm taking these out and painting these myself is because the dirt will get up right here, and then when you wash the car, it will start dripping, you know, and you'll dry it and everything. Let's say you go to the store, you'll see all that dirt dripping. That's the only reason why I didn't like that. Now, I did put up with it for a long time, but I decided let's just make a video of doing the whole tail lights, and that's exactly what I did. So the only thing we got left is to put these. They should clip in, and then put the little lid on top, the clips, and that's it. All right, now for our sequential lights, we need to remove this harness right here. So first, remove. And now this one. Just like that. Make sure our connections are good now. And now with our key. There you go. So now the sequentials are on. Now we just got to worry about painting, and we're done. All right, now this is the next step. I have everything masked off. As you can see, you can do this however you want. Just make sure you don't get any overspray. If you do a splash dip, you can remove it. So there you go, guys. You just make it as dark as you want. Just keep in mind that you do want visibility of the lights whenever you're done, so don't go too hard. And you can see a difference, that one, that one. So now we're gonna let it dry, let the bezels dry as well, put everything back up, and we're done. Alright, well, this is the final product. Looks really good, much better. And you could tell this is the original one, so there you go. Well, alright guys, well, this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. As you can see, we did save a little bit of money with those bezels that you can buy. Like I said, you can buy the bezels and the tint pre-cut, but I went for the DIY way, and that saved me around $40. Those $40, I can put them somewhere else instead of paying someone to paint bezels, because I know how to paint them. I just showed you how to paint them. It's nothing out of this world. But anyway, if you liked and enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. Here you're going to find different content that don't make it to YouTube sometimes, such as small carbon fiber parts and such. And if you just want to check out my build, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you on the next video.